November 3rd. It's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thanks. So what we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna do a quick few laps around the track today because we are part of a group with our fish extender groups called Marathon at Sea. So we need to get our laps in first, and then we're probably gonna grab some breakfast, come back, and then unpack, decorate our door, and do some other fun stuff. We don't really have a plan, but that's what's in my head right now. Other than that, we will see you guys on the track.
Bye.
Bye. We are headed to Palo for my birthday dinner.
Yeah.
So we'll show you what it looks like when we get there. Bye.
Clean our palettes.
Really good. Can't wait for our main meal.
So good.
Pasta's so good. About to go out. It is about to be 9 o'clock. Now we are going to head to go take some pictures with Minnie for my birthday, and then we're gonna go to the karaoke party. We're about to go meet Minnie Mouse.
There she is. Can you give a high five to the...
Thank you so much. Thank you. I got hair That's right. So cool. Can you give me a hug? Oh, okay. Can you give me a hug? Oh.
Right.
Get it? Yeah. We're gonna get one on yours now. Okay. One more? Yep. There we go.
Okay, I want to take a picture.
Oh, goofy, I know.
Let me share this whole new world with you.
Poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. The wind is howling like the swirling storm inside. See the line where sky meets the sea and it calls me. And love's an open door.
What's my name? What's my name?
I wanna be where the people are. I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Just pray to a God that I don't believe in. 'Cause I got time, I got freedom. 'Cause when a heart breaks, no, it don't break. No, it don't break, no, it don't break even.
Otis King right here. Hello, my dear.
Hi.
Your Majesty. Time to go back to our room. It's been a long day.
It has been a long day, but a wonderful day.
Hey you guys, what's up?
What up?
We are in bed. It is almost 12 o'clock and we wanted to open up some fish extenders that we got in the last 2 days. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our first one.
Oh, thank you guys.
That's beautiful. Thank you so much.
That's awesome.
Wow, that's really nice. Winter Fresh Sugar Cube, the Ford family, says magic cupcake, just need one to become a queen. How cute is that? Came in this bag. It's like it's my birthday. Okay. Look at that. I love it, you guys. This is gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so thoughtful. I love it. Go ahead, babe. Oh, how cute is that? Okay. Oh, and they also gave us, we need to mark our laps for the Sea to Shining Sea marathon. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you. This is from Brianna and Adam Roscoe. And it says, just add ice cream. They're Skittles, gummies. He loves gummies, by the way. Like, absolutely loves gummies. I don't know what that is in the bag. I'm assuming it's our fudge. Super cute. Also comes with, and some magnets for our doors. I think these are magnets. That's pretty much all we have for tonight. Tomorrow we will go ahead and show you what else we have in our bag. But that's it. See you later. Bye.
Good night. See ya.